My name is Maria.
And my name is Paola.
And we're going to show you step-by-step tutorial how to make a zebra face paint.
The first step is going to be applying a paint stick all over her face. Next step, we're going to mix with a brush all over her face.
El Face ID no me funciona.
Now we're gonna grab a brush and try to make it as even as possible.
Hey. Maria.
Step 3, make sure we have all the spots. All.
¡Ah! Step 4, no jalarle el cabello a Paola. ¡Ah! You speak English. I am speaking Spanish.
Step 5, we're going to draw a circle, which is going to be the mouth, and we're gonna fill it in with a sponge.
Step 7, no tragarse la pintura. Step 8, no meter la pintura en la nariz.
Step 9, we're going to color around her eye with black shadow. Step 10, we're going to mix the white with the black so it looks like a dirty zebra. Step 11, we're going to grab a powder and an angled brush and we're going to draw lines around here and around here. Step 12, we're going to grab a black and we're going to shade. And we're done. Sorry.